In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive backup on your laptop using our full 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to free up some space or simply prefer to store your files locally, we'll guide you through this process step by step. Before we begin, ensure your laptop is powered on and connected to the internet for a smoother experience. To start, you'll want to open your OneDrive settings. This is vital as it allows you access to the core options you need for managing your file backups. Take a look at your taskbar, usually located at the bottom right side of your screen, and find the OneDrive Cloud icon. Clicking this icon will open a menu, navigate to Help and Settings. Once there, go ahead and click on Settings. These initial steps direct you to the OneDrive Settings panel, where you can adjust your backup preferences. Next, you'll need to manage your backup settings specifically. In the Settings panel, find and click on the Sync and Backup tab. It's here where you'll locate sections dedicated to your important PC folders such as Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. These are usually the folders set to backup to OneDrive by default. Within this section, look for the option that says Manage Backup and click it. This action will open a window or new tab displaying your current backup configuration. Now comes the critical part, stopping the backup. Within that new window, each of the folders, Desktop, Documents, and Pictures will have an option next to it that reads Stop Backup. Carefully click on Stop Backup next to each folder you wish to stop from syncing with OneDrive. It's worth noting here that your existing files will remain in OneDrive, but any new files or changes you make will now stay only on your local PC unless manually uploaded to the cloud. When prompted, make sure to confirm your decision to stop the backup. It's an extra security measure to ensure you don't accidentally disrupt your file organization. Once confirmed, you'll have successfully ceased the continuous syncing of files within those directories to OneDrive while allowing them to remain accessible on your PC. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of stopping OneDrive from automatically backing up certain folders on your laptop. Not only will this conserve OneDrive storage space, but it could also improve your laptop's performance due to the reduced background activity. If you ever wish to resume syncing, you can easily follow these same steps to re-enable the backup. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in organizing your